Today I'm going to be reviewing No Nuts Variety Pack. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I literally just got them in, took out all the bars and tried them all, gave it to my wife, had my son try them. All really pretty good. Let's take a look at what we get in here. This is 100% nut-free, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free. I mean, this is going to be friendly for almost anyone out there. I have issues with dairy, so I was very excited about this. They're also high in fiber. They do use the chicory root, which is not my favorite fiber, but it will work. So we got 4 flavors here. We got the caramel mocha, blueberry vanilla, cinnamon flavor, and chocolate chip. So I went right to the chocolate chip. It was good. Wasn't my favorite, which blows my mind because usually this would be my favorite. Gave it to my son. He loved it. He took it from me and ate it all. The wife wasn't a fan of any of these, so I don't know. We're just gonna throw her off to the side because I thought they were good. Now, not everyone was perfect, but the chocolate chip was very good. Then I went and I tried the blueberry. I hate fruit in bars. This might have been my favorite, which blows me away because I'm not even a big blueberry fan. And then the caramel mocha, which was not my favorite. It wasn't horrible, but it just wasn't my favorite. And then the cinnamon was really good. Cinnamon roll, I should say, sorry. This is all really good. So my son thought the chocolate chip and the cinnamon roll were good. He said good. He doesn't even call my cooking good. So that's a good sign. But being dairy-free, being nut-free is super important. Now, these do really well on Amazon. They get 4.4 stars, over 1,200 reviews. And last month, 400 plus of just the variety box were sold. So people are buying it. People are liking it. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.